This is Robert Kung Her. He's the Attorney General for the state of Maryland, Baltimore City Attorney General. All right. I'm a whistleblower. And yesterday he said he'd accept my whistleblower's application. Matter of fact, he did it on national TV. I videotaped it to make sure that none of this would go wrong. All right. All right. I gave him the information. I have a Department of Justice ID number. Social media for social change. The Baltimore Sun been participating in this. They've been shielding it. Baltimore Sun. Y'all parading black people around, but y'all don't want to parade no white people. You ain't trying to arrest no white people. Pew didn't do this by herself. I didn't hear y'all mention Gov.O'Malley, none of that. So I'm going to mention Gov.O'Malley and his mom machine. We're going to start sending white people to jail the same way that you send black people. We're going to start reporting the news. And the news is part of this. Because like I said, one of my documentaries that the state took in 2011 was about the Baltimore Sun. It's called Portraits of a Letter. It's about the media and how you demonize black America. And we done said this face to face. Seen how I took over the microphone yesterday? When I mic checked the room, I'm like Eve Hutton in Baltimore. Don't nobody out-talk me. When I want first, I take first. And this is what we're going to take right here. I was putting them toilets out since 2006. And this toilet right here was very, very explosive. See the faces on it? It was your elected officials. Yeah. Shorty's barbecue. I was giving you some shit. That's Tim Williams. And that's Anthony. That's man, I forgot. But that's who it is. We're talking about Marilyn Mosby tossing cases. Well, I'm going to break you down. That's Gov.O'Malley's mom machine, the play-to-play machine. It deals with judges, lawyers, state's attorneys, and politicians. It deals with the comptroller's office. It deals with the Frosh, Gansler. It deals with your prison industry. I'm a whistleblower on the prison industry. And just like he said, he's going to take my whistleblower's complaint. I got everything on tape and on film. It's documented legally. This is the state of Illinois. This is the state of Maryland. Y'all gave me a Freedom Fighters Award. Dog, I'm fighting for my freedom and yours, mine, and ours. Patrick Fitzgerald. That's in 2008. I took a physical before I went home, and y'all locked me up. I took a physical. I was worth $250,000. I'm going to talk about Judge Turnbull, Judge Holland, Judge Pearson, Judge Souter, Judge Cox, Judge Danae, and Judge O'Malley. Janae fixed the case. Judge Cox has my writ of certiorari. Judge Souter permitted perjury in the court. Yeah, and Judge Turnbull had it all before it all started. They destroyed evidence in Judge Bell's office as well. Governor O'Malley put 9 judges in place. Those 9 judges had 5 friends, so he had 45 judges. There's a renters court, juvenile court, criminal court, civil court, yeah, bond court. So he was racketeering and fraud, like Operation Greylord in Chicago. And he used Greg Bernstein, Scott Shellenberger, and Marilyn Mosby. Yeah, I'm going to break you down. I got a Jailhouse Diary from Maryland, one from Illinois, and I got tapes. And y'all made me famous for building toilets. That's my Community Verizon Award from 2016. That's Donnie Moses, because he had this. Y'all came in my house and put guns to my head. Y'all threatened my life. I gave testimony last night. And if you contact Yvonne Brooks at this number, Baltimore City Solicitor, yeah, have all this information taken care of. Done right. This is my political soapbox, the toilet. Y'all shitting on Trump, I'm going to shit on you. I'm a black Republican. Slave labor and modern era. Yeah. We shall overcome. I'm going to show you the shit show in Baltimore, the shit show in America. That's WBAL. That's me. That's City Hall. And that's y'all protecting the blue shit. Told you when I started this, Governor O'Malley, Police Johnson. Y'all seen me chase Johnson out of City Hall. Y'all seen me chase Governor O'Malley. Y'all seen me chase Bernstein, and Shellenberger. I ain't scared of none of y'all. Y'all scared of this tapes. It's a federal investigation. That's the Department of Justice. So y'all already got this in 2008. You had this. And it's all about Mayor Pugh, Stephanie Rawlings Blake. It's about the money behind your prison industry. Slavery. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and we the cash crop. I'm going to give you something to see about the criminalization of poverty and Governor O'Malley's mom machine. I'm going to show you how you make this shit work. Simple audit is going to just break it all down because all you got to do is audit. I need a federal and a state audit from 2007 to 2008. That's it. A federal and a state audit. Kamenetz didn't want to do it. Moxley don't want to do it. Judge Turnbull been knowing about this since 2000. What? Yeah, really 2009. We're going to show you the criminalization of poverty. Because here go Judge Turnbull. Right there. Can you read? This is letters written to Judge Turnbull. Can you read? 1857, Dred Scott. I'm showing you the racism in Baltimore County. Shellenberger has violated his oath of office by denying me due process and equal protection. Yeah. Public accommodations. I am Dred Scott. We're going to take this shit to court because ain't no law against making a movie about Maryland Democratic Party. Ain't no law against making a movie about Governor O'Malley and his political whores. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all had this. Y'all had the DVD, Video Vigilante, Governor O'Malley, and y'all destroyed it. Yeah. Racism don't work without black cooperation. You had this. Bobby Zirkin getting ready to retire, but before he retire, we're going to take him in front of the grand jury. A federal grand jury. Everybody that had knowledge of this is either going to be a witness or a defendant. You're going to testify against your wife, or you're going to be defendant with your wife. WBAL had full knowledge of this. It was about our political machine and how you protect it, the money you make off of it. Art and activism. I'm famous for toilets, and I'm getting ready to do it again. Amendment 8, excessive bail shall not be. Yeah. This Department of Justice, this is the FBI, Richard McFeely, 2011 at 12:50 p.m. All right? You were contacted by my brother, William Davis. Yeah, my brother, William Lewis Davis, contacted the FBI while I was locked up. So please forward this information. Yeah. March 1986. That's Justin Fenton. That's Mayor Pugh, because I gave Justin Fenton this. He was there. Stephanie Rawlings Blake. Department of Justice. States Attorney Nearham. Judge Bennett. This is a federal investigation about your prison industry. And you can go straight to Donald Trump because this is going to be all about you. You wanted corruption in Baltimore? I'm going to give you corruption in Baltimore. Tell President Obama to turn over my files, and we're going to break down the Democratic Party and how y'all been making money off of black bodies. I'm a whistleblower, and I'm white. I'm a whistleblower, and I'm white. I didn't write that. I didn't do that. That's the Department of Justice and the Department of Corrections, and I'm breaking you down. That's a Jailhouse Diary. That's a Jailhouse Diary. These are tapes. And this is social media for social change. You said you take my whistleblower's application? Well, this is just a taste. Contact the Inspector General. Man, stay right there. Hold that thought. If you contact the Inspector General today, Baltimore City Inspector General, get that information. Call her up. That's all you got to do is call her up. It's right there for you. If you really want to stop the corruption, if you really want to go after the money, if you really want to be that big speech that you gave yesterday, go right here. You got a packet with my name on it and start investigating this. Due process and equal protection. Does the color of my skin determine my degree of justice? Because it ain't going to be just us in 2020. Y'all selling Congressman Cummings' seat. Y'all better get on this now, because I'm going to love to say I told you so.